guys, my name's Natalia, and last week I asked you what you want to see next, and you all voted another card. So today I'm gonna share you this very special pull and reveal shaker card. So it's 2 cards in one, and it's actually pretty easy to create. And any kind of figurine or theme really goes well with this kind of card. Now decide what I should be making for next week by voting in the card above. So let's begin. Here's what you need to create this card. Now on the back piece, we need to create a rectangle. So on the shorter sides, measure inwards 3 centimeters and then make a mark. And then make the lines. Now from the longer sides, measure inwards 2 centimeters from each side and then make the marks and then create the lines. Now in this rectangle in the middle, you need to add a drawing or a picture or whatever that really fits with the theme you're going for. Now set this aside and then take the front piece and then repeat the same kind of measurements and line drawing as you did in the beginning. This means that you need to create the same kind of rectangle as you did on the back piece and then cut it out. Now we need to work with the acetate, but if you don't have any acetate, you can take a plastic pocket like this and it'll work just fine. Now take the acetate or the plastic pocket and then create a larger rectangle than the one you did in the beginning. And then cut it out. Now we need to create a border around the image here using the foam stickers. So cut them into the appropriate size and then place them around the image. Now the height of the border really depends on the type of bead or filling you're going to use for this card. The bigger the bead, the larger the wall. Now for this card, I created some Pokeball sequins by taking a white sequin and then painting half of it red with a permanent marker and then creating a black border with another permanent marker and then just repeating this over and over until I had enough for my card. Do you also think it's annoying that all of the beads or sequins get stuck to the side? Well, I have a little trick for you. You can take some flour and a paintbrush and then just paint the sides of your border. And also make sure that the protective paper on the foam stickers is still attached. I know this might seem crazy, but it actually works. Now add all of the beads or sequins you want inside the card, and then remove all of the protective papers from the foam stickers, and then attach the acetate right on top. And then make sure to press down to make it stick properly. Now we need to attach the front piece onto the card, and we need to use foam stickers to do exactly that. So attach the foam stickers onto 3 sides of the card and leave one side open for the pull and reveal function to work. Now remove all of the protective papers from the foam stickers and then attach the front piece right onto them. And then press down to make it stick properly. Now we need to work on the pull and reveal function of the card. So take a strip of construction paper and you completely decide the size of it, then add some glue on the end of it and then attach it onto the lid of the card. And if you want, you can shorten the strip and decorate the lid, but that's totally up to you. When you're done decorating, attach the lid onto the card. Give it a try and test it out a bit to see if everything works. And there are so many ways of creating this card. It's just your imagination that sets the boundaries. I hope you enjoyed watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you did. And don't forget to hit the bell button below so don't miss out on any future videos. And be sure to check out these DIYs here to get some more inspiration. And I'll see you soon with more ideas. Bye!